Let's decorate the perfect fall cookie. It is definitely time for cozy jumpers, pumpkin spice lattes, and Uggy boots. We're creating our first jumper, making it yellow, starting with the edges. We're making the color in the sleeves, and filling up the inside. Doing the bottom of the sleeves as well. It is best to have a jumper with a front pocket so you can be cozy and put your hands in it. This is the perfect fall jumper. Next, obviously we spoke about pumpkin spice lattes, which is the best drink to have in this season. Starting with some orange. Make sure there's no bubbles. We're using some grey and white for the foam. Doing all the edges and filling it up. Shake to remove the bubbles again. Filling up the whipped cream at the top. Adding some little lines for the details. And writing down the letters for our pumpkin spice latte. Fill them up. Here we go. And now for our comfy huggy boots. Starting with a white line at the bottom. We're doing them brown. Adding the bottom part, always shake to remove the bubbles. Add little buttons and fur. Furry boots are the best. And now we're starting with the white on the sides. And fill up the middle bit. We're going to write our letters in orange. And brown, using the same colors to have all matching cookies. And here's the result.